Do you work from home like me? It's important that if you work from home that you find few moments during your break to come out and spend some time in nature. And when you spend the time in nature, it is important that you focus and draw your attention to the sky, to the tree, the leaves of the tree, touch them, feel the touch, maybe kiss them, and look at all the beauty of the nature. Listen to the sound of the water. If you have any water source near you, you can do so much to find the comfort and peace.